Turn those ugly looking bananas you forgot about into these mouth-watering, incredibly delicious, fluffy banana brownies. Let's make them. Grab 2 of those overripe bananas, peel them and put them into a big bowl. They will provide a great base for our moist and fluffy brownies. Smash them. Get a scale and a bowl. Add 80 grams of baking flour. You can also use all-purpose flour, but I prefer this one because I find it gives me better results. 20 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, which is enough to give it that rich chocolatey flavor. By the way, do you keep ingredients in old containers too? 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 100 grams of erythritol. Powdered sweetener would be better for this recipe because it dissolves better. 60 grams of powdered egg whites. You can use any kind of unflavored or chocolate flavored protein powder, but I chose this one because it has less calories and more protein per serving. Mix everything together until you get a thick chocolatey mixture like this. Next you need 100 grams of liquid egg whites, which provide more moisture for the brownie, as well as extra protein. 200 grams of plain Skyr. This has only 57 calories and packs 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, which makes it a great low-calorie substitute for butter. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together with the rest of the ingredients. You should get a similar consistency. Don't worry if it's a little bit thicker. Now, I love peanut butter, so I chose this, which has 87% less fat and way more protein. I'll add 30 grams of that into a bowl and mix it with 30 grams of leftover egg whites and water until I get a similar consistency to the brownie batter. Let's go preheat our oven at 170 degrees Celsius. Get your square baking pan. Spray it with some oil and lay the parchment paper. Pour the brownie batter into the pan, then drizzle the peanut butter on top like this. If you want, you can add 30 grams of dark chocolate chips on top of the brownie. Bake the brownie at 170 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. To check if the brownie is ready, insert a toothpick and it should come out with a few moist crumbs like this. After it cools completely, cut the brownie into 16 equal pieces. Each square has 63 calories, 8 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein and 1 gram of fat. Subscribe for more recipes like this.